I, Mrs. K.S. Gadgir, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, will be discussing a numerical on bisection method. Let's solve a numerical on bisection method. The question is, find the root of equation. Find the root of equation x e raised to x is equal to cos x using bisection method in the interval 0, 1. Show 5 iterations. First instruction, put your calculator in radian mode. Put the calculator in radian mode. Write down the function f of x is equal to cos x minus x e raised to x. Here a is given as 0, b is given as 1. Find out f of 0 as cos 0 minus 0 into e raised to 0, which comes out to be 1. Find out f of 1, which is cos of 1 minus 1 into e raised to 1, which is minus 2.177979. Check whether f of 0 into f of 1 is less than 0. The condition is satisfied. So we find out the next value, c is equal to a plus b by 2, which is equal to 0 plus 1 divided by 2, which comes out to be 0.5. Then find out f of 0.5, which is cos of 0.5 minus 0.5 into e raised to 0.5, which comes out to be 0.053219. For bisection method, we have to keep on checking whether f of c into f of a is less than 0 or f of c into f of b is less than 0. You can see f of c is coming as positive and f of a is also coming as what? Positive, right? F of c is coming positive, f of a is also positive. So f of c into f of a is not less than 0. F of c is positive, f of b is negative. Therefore, the root lies in the interval. Therefore, root lies in the interval 0.5, 1. Right? To find out the next value of the root, you will do d is equal to 0.5 plus 1 divided by 2, which comes out to be 0.75. Then again we will find out f of d. F of d is minus 0.8560. Then you will check whether f of 0.5 into f of 0.75 is less than 0, or f of 0.75 into f of 1 is less than 0. Right? So f of 0.5 in our case is positive. F of 0.75 is what? Negative. So root lies in this interval 0.5 and 0.75. To get the next value, you will write E is equal to 0.5 plus 0.75 divided by 2, which comes out to be 0.625. Then you will find out f of E, which comes out to be minus 0.356690. Then you will check whether f of 0.5 into f of 0.625 is less than 0, or f of 0.625 into f of 0.75 is less than 0. F of 0.5 is positive, f of 0.625 is negative. So root is going to lie in this interval. Right? So you will find the next approximation to the root as f is equal to 0.5 plus 0.625 divided by 2, which comes out to be 0.5625. Right? Now you have been asked to do 5 iterations. Let's see how many iterations we have done. Calculation of C is your first iteration. Calculation of D is your second iteration. Calculation of E is your third iteration. Calculation of F is your fourth iteration. So we have to still go ahead. You have to find out f of f, which is coming out to be minus 0.141293. Minus 0.141293. Again, you have to check whether f of 0.5 into f of 0.5625 is less than 0, or f of 0.625 into f of 0.5625 is less than 0. You can see that f of 0.5 is positive, f of 0.5625 is negative. So root lies in this interval. Your next approximation comes out to be G is equal to, which is your fifth iteration, 0.5625 plus 0.5 divided by 2, which gives you the value of G as 0.5312. The question says that you have to show 5 iterations. You can conclude writing, therefore, answer after 5 iterations is 0.5312.